The first thing we're going to do is attach the paper towel rolls together. We see the lines that each of the rolls have, and it's important when you put them together that the line actually has a continuation into the second roll. The reason is because we're going to be making holes along those lines, along the length of the rolls, and being that we're going to be making the holes along the entire length of the both rolls together, we want to make it so that it's symmetrical, it's nice and even as the holes go across the length of the roll, that there's a continuation when it goes from one roll to the second roll. So we want the lines to match up, and then there'll be a continuation when we put the points from top to bottom, and it'll look much nicer as the matchsticks go inside. As far as the masking tape, you should put enough that it's nice and sturdy. You can go a little bit below and above where the actual point where they meet, and this will help hold it together much better. I'm going to be using some string for the decoration, so we'll also, with the glue that we put the string on, I'm also going to give it a little bit more support. But make sure you put enough tape, the masking tape, around so that it's nice and strong and you feel like it's not going to come apart when it's held. So now I've shown you how to take both rolls, the paper towel rolls, put them together and apply masking tape to hold them together.